Hi there folks, this is Steve with Federal Military Parts. Today going to talk a little bit about our center consoles for your military Humvee or any military vehicle whatsoever, or even of course a civilian vehicle, as these will work with 12 volt, 24 volt, whatever you've got. These are fully pre-wired. This unit on the end here has the cigarette lighter on the end there, as you can see. It has the lighted rocker switch panel, and that lights up in blue of course. And you've got your ports as well for plugging in auxiliary items here, as you can see, and the cigarette lighter port. It's got your voltage meter right there, and that one has no cup holders, as you can see. This one over here has only the rocker switches on the side. Again, no cup holders, but on the inside you can store items if you've got small items you want to store. And then finally, the end unit here is fully lighted, has all the ports that the first one has, and also the cup holders on the top. All three of these are available at federalmilitaryparts.com, and we'll have a link for you at the bottom of this video. Thanks for watching.